In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Soundtrap. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is by adding a track. So if I just click on Add New Track over here or over here on the left, it's going to allow me to basically import a file. So if I click on Import File, I can click on Import to Audio Track, and then I can choose the file, which, for example, I have one over here, which is just something I exported over here. I can click on it and click on Open. Now, as you can see, it's going to pop in, and over here, I now have my music, okay? That's the first way to actually add it. Now, the second one is to actually go to the top right over here and click on this sound library over here, where also you'll have a bunch of different options. So here you'll have like different sounds, sound effects, you'll have music, stuff like that, a bunch of different things. You could add this by clicking Add New Track and then clicking Loop Library over here as well. And then you can go ahead and find whatever you want. You can play it, and you can go ahead and add that here inside your song and then add the music that way as well, okay? So those are basically the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.